अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं मजमून निगारी एडवांटेजेस एंड डिसएडवांटेजेस ऑफ मोबाइल फोन। दोस्तों, अगर आपने अभी तक हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज चैनल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब करें और इस वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर जरूर करें। तो आइए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। Mobile phones have become a very important part of our lives. It is very difficult to imagine our life without a cell phone, as most of our work is done using cell phones. Mobile phones have become a necessity for life, and without this thin gadget, many people would feel incomplete. We now use mobile phones in our everyday life as a phone, voice recorder, diary, alarm clock, surfing internet, watching videos and audio contents, dealing with clients, etc. Through mobile, you can go online and check your emails. You can play games on your mobile phone. You can play audio and even watch videos on your mobile phone. You can surf the internet. You can communicate with anyone from anywhere at any time. Mobile phone is a source of entertainment. Disadvantages of mobile phones. Mobile phones can indeed help students in their studies. It is only possible if they use mobile phones wisely. Most of the students become addicted and use a mobile phone without any purpose. Mobile internet is an example of this. People use the internet for any reason. They spend hours on immoral websites which can damage a career of a young person. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.